What is up guys? It's me Hannah and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, mag-unbox na tayo ng mga regalo. So ayun nga, hindi ko siya binuksan para magawa tong video na to. And ayun nga, kung may napapansin kayo, medyo malinaw yung camera natin ngayon kasi may bago tayong camera guys. And ayun, so sobrang excited ko, ginamit ko agad siya. So dito ako nag-film sa labas since medyo madaming tao sa loob ng bahay namin. So, hindi ko napapatagalin pa dahil magagabi na. And ayun, without further ado, let's get started. So unahin ko yung mga ibang padala na hindi ko nasama dun sa unboxing. And ayun, ito is galing sa Smooches Lip Line. And ayun, if naghahanap kayo ng lip tint supplier, perfect to sa inyo. So nagpadala sila ng mga velvet tints. Ayan, lahat ng kanilang mga shades. Ayan, hindi ko mapakita. Pero tignan nyo na lang sa Instagram ko yung review ko about dito. So nag-send din sila ng kanilang mga matte stains. Ayan siya. So next ay galing sa Levrez by Kyla. And ayun o, may box pa siya. So padala sila ng lip tint sa akin. Thank you Levrez by Kyla. Ayan, 6 pieces yung binigay nila. And ito yung itsura ng kanilang lip tint. Ayan. Next naman is ito. Regalo galing kay Tita Odette. And she gave me this. Itong parang travel bag. Ayan, kakailanganin ko to lalo na pupunta kami sa Korea next year. Ito siya guys. And ayun, padilim na din. But anyways, ayan, sobrang kailangan ko to naman. Perfect for traveling talaga. So thank you so much dito. Yung next is galing kay, ayan, kay Mami Tetel and Daddy Al. And ayun, ito siya. Medyo malaki yung box niya. And pag binuksan mo siya, hindi talaga ako sanay lang sinisira yung box. Nakapanghinayang kasi yung wrapper pala. Ayan. So, ayan, they got me this Nike na Zoom. And ayun siya, yung color na parang olive green. So, thank you so much for this. Moving on, meron tayong mga, yan, mga aguinaldo ko. This galing kay Ate Jillian and she got me this cute pouch na may kasamang aso. Yan, sobrang cute lang niya. Ay, nagagabi na talaga. Galing naman to kay Daddy Vic and Mommy Sarge. So, ayun, ito yung Music Flower Liquid Eyebrow Pen. So, medyo may pagkamahalan to I think. Pero, ayan, ito siya. Thank you so much. Anyways, yung next naman is galing sa pinsan ko. And, wala akong scissors. So, he got me this notebook. Ayan, may verse siya sa loob. Ang cute. Ayan, this is what it looks like. So, I'm back and ayan, dito ako nag-film sa 3rd floor namin. But anyways, next gift is from Tita Edna and she got me this floral na blouse. Ayan, ito yung tsura niya. Susunod is from Tita Connie and ayan, let's open it. She got me this bag and ayun, inside naman siya sa loob. Ayan. Meron lang cute na ballpen. Ayan. Wala talaga akong time mag-film guys and ayun, siningit ko lang talaga siya sa aking schedule. So, next naman is galing kay Tito Richard and Lovell. And they got me some mask. Ayan. Nagamit ko siya. Thank you so much. Next is from Ate Cha, and she got me this Ralph Lauren na perfume. Ayan. So, susunod is galing kila Ate Jo, and ayun, they got me this, ano to, from Happy Skin. Oh, they got me this Kiss and Bloom Water Lip and Cheek Tint. Ayan, hindi ko pa siya natatry actually. Nababasa ko lang siya sa mga reviews and mga videos sa YouTube. So, ayun, excited na ako matry ito. Thank you so much. Ito yung itsura niya, guys. And, yung shade pala nito is Tough. Ayan siya. Ayan. Medyo reddish yung color niya. And, watery din siya. So, ayan, may mga aguinaldo din, and ayun, hindi ko na siya bubuksan. But, anyways, susunod is etong gift from Ate Yebo and Olivia. So, fun fact pala, guys. Tinatago ko yung mga ganito. Ewan ko, parang gusto ko lang siyang i-keep every year. So, ayan, they also got me this essence mask and etong travel bag. Ayan. Parang ready na talaga mag-travel next year eh. Ayan. Kailangan ko din ito for next year. Next one is from Tita Lichi. So, ayan. She got me this, ano itong Stack and Swap highlighter ata to. Ayan siya, guys. Ball pen something. Ayan. Highlighter. Ball pen. So, astig naman. First time ko makakita ng ganito. Thank you so much. Next one pala is galing kay Abby, and she got me this bracelet. Ayan. So cute. Thank you so much. So, onti na lang yun nandito. And next one is from Mika's family. And, ayan. Ang cute lang ng packaging niya, oh. Parang, ano, naka-recycled siya. So, ayan. They got me this personalized na wallet, and ang cute. Susunod is galing kay Tito Jerry and Tita Luz. So, they got me this, ayan, itong lipstick, and Infallible Pro Matte Liquid Lipstick in the shade Petal Potion. Ayan. Magamit ko to. Thank you so much. From Tita Marisa. So, ayan, she got me this pang phone ata to. And, itong Blooming Bouquet Conditioner. Ayan, this, ito yung tsura niya. Thank you for this. So, ito yung pinaka-last, and ayun nga yung ginagamit ko pang film ngayon, which is itong EOS M100, and ayun, galing to sa tatay ko, and ayun kay Mommy Tetel and Daddy Al. So, thank you so much, and nagawan ko na to ng video, guys, and ayun, abangan nyo na lang yun. Ang maganda dito is meron siya kasama na free na camera bag, ayan, and ganda din dito is leather siya, so ayan yung itsura niya. Ang dami ko na naman kalat na ginawa. So, ayun lang yung ating video for today. Sana nagustuhan nyo, and if you do, please give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see more videos like this, just click that subscribe button down below. If may video suggestions kayo na gusto nyong gawin ko, i-comment nyo lang kung ano yun. So, thank you for watching, guys, and see you on my next one.